about the solar in Rivers State. It's not issue we want to revisit. MBA National spoke about it, and we all key in. Now, the issue of our statement saying that the query was unwarranted cannot hit up the polity, because in a democratic situation, every person is allowed to air out his view. It is when people express their view that government will look at what they are doing, whether it is right or wrong. But when you suppress the expression of the people, either as a group or as an individual, between you who is suppressing that and those people who want to air out their view, who is hitting up the polity? The essence of the solar here is, from their claim, is that he will come here to ensure that there is peace and stability. And issuing queries and suppressing people who want to say, why did this happen like this? Instead of you to give an explanation of why that thing happened like that, you are asking the person, shut up, why will you ask questions? Then, I mean, between you and I, who is hitting up the polity? So every other thing we want to say as MBA has already been said. But what we are saying is that the solar, whether constitutional or unconstitutional, should stop hitting up the polity by attacking people who make their innocent view about what is happening.
Well, the issue is that we cannot preempt what he will do. When we get to the bridge, we will cross it.
What is national doing? Is national being informed of the situation on ground?
Of course, and
well, MDA is one, and whatever we do is in tandem with what national does. As long as we are concerned with what has happened now. If it takes another step, you know, it is only the masquerade that will determine how we go about dancing the music. So if it takes a step, we know how to follow it. But for now, we don't want to preempt the solar. All what we are saying is that that query should be withdrawn with immediate effect. And that is all. We have no other business.
Which is now being stifled, there's some kind of censorship of thoughts and censorship of like a gagging of people. I don't know if you share the same sentiments with regards to situations like I have painted what's happening in Rivers State.
yes, the NBA, we are aware that Channel's correspondent was beaten up and thrown into a bus. The same with journalists from Nigerian Info. If you listen to their station, the journalists also attested to that. That is not good at all. We are in a